Decorah is expected to learn his sentence in the murder of a 15-year-old girl.
A jury found 66-year-old James Bachmerski guilty of second-degree murder earlier this year in the death of Jade Colvin. Now he heads to the courtroom for sentencing, and his team is trying to get him a new trial. KCRG TV 9's Charles Hart joins us in the studio with the latest. Charles.
Yeah, Kristen and Jackie. So Jade Colvin has not been seen since March of 2017 when she traveled with her mother to live at James Bachmerski's Decorah farmhouse. To this day, her body has not been found, and even after a jury found Bachmerski guilty of second-degree murder, his lawyers are trying to get him a new trial. Now, here's some of their reasonings. Now, during his trial, witnesses testified about how evidence was handled. Now, another reason was that someone told Jade's mother, LaDawn Colvin, that she talked with Jade in August 2017, months after she would have arrived at Bachmerski's farm. Now, that person, Christina Wilson, claimed Jade was in an apartment in California. Now, the defense also argues there was no physical evidence that Bachmerski actually killed Colvin, something they brought up during closing arguments.
No body, no evidence, and no crime. Some of these terms: maybe, might be, suspicion, possible, likely. You're not there. That's not beyond a reasonable doubt.
This is a 15-year-old kid with nothing other than her mom and her friends. The clothes on her back and her pink suitcase, which, by the way, was found at the defendant's house.
Looking back at the trial, interviews with the Iowa Department of Public Safety revealed that Bachmerski had seen Colvin the night she was last seen.
What he told you here was the last time he had seen Jade was at the house.
Yes, this is the most definitive answer I ever get, is that he last saw Jade at his house.
Okay, he went to Norby's.
Said she was doing laundry and he left to go do something at Norby's.
Also in those interviews, Bachmerski told the investigator that he'd go to the grave before he would tell the truth of what happened. Bachmerski is scheduled to be in court this morning at 11, and you can trust TV 9 to bring you what happens in the courtroom. In the studio, Charles Hart, KCRG TV 9 News.